듯이 무너졌어 바닥을 뚫고 저 치아까지 Hey, how you like that? You gon' like that?
Hey guys, it's me again. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look, which I would call it as Blackpink Lisa, how you like that makeup look plus peachy makeup look. So this is kind of combination of two. If you're curious how I did this look, stay tuned. Let's go.
First of all, let me grab my makeup. I'm taking all my makeup with me. So ta-da! This is my bare face. So I already prepped and moisturized my face. Now it's time for me to start with foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of 238 Rich Tan. Just apply accordingly and dab dab dab. Next, I'm going to use my orange concealer to hide all my dark circles and eye bag. And just use the same sponge. So next, I'm going to apply Maybelline Instant Age Revive Concealer with this brush. So apply accordingly to your eye area and dab slowly with the sponge. Make sure to dab slowly so we're not ruining the coverage. So I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. This is to set your makeup and to make sure there is no creasing. Next, I'm doing contouring. For eyebrow, I usually brush it evenly so it is easier to draw. Just using the brow pencil and start to make an eyebrow frame. It's better to use your actual brow frame. Slowly fill in the brow. It takes months and years and a lot of practice to draw a perfect eyebrow. It's totally understandable if you fail to draw. Even I used to struggle getting the perfect brow. But then, practice makes it perfect. Next, I'm just using the brush. Just make it evenly at the both sides.
바닥을 뚫고 저 치아까지
Next, I'm going to use the concealer just to conceal any mistake that I've done and also to cover up the hair that I don't want it to be visible. Well, of course, using the same sponge, just dab and even it out slowly. This is a trick how you make your eyebrow look more natural. Next, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. So I'm using the warm orange eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply on my eyelid. Next, using the eyeshadow brush, just even it out accordingly. Next, apply eyeshadow which is more darker. Apply at your crease.
Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you now, look at me. Look at you.
Even it out nicely.
How you like that? Your girl need a doll and that's 100. Pick it to me.
Using the same eyeshadow that I used in the first one, put in the lower lid. I'm using the white liner to make sure that my eyes look bigger.
Like me, then tell me how you like that, like that. 더 캄캄한 이곳에 shine like the stars.
Next, using a black eyeshadow, just make it evenly, just as if you're making your eyeliner.
하나, 둘, 셋. How you like that?
I'm adding my black liquid eyeliner just to make it more visible. Just take and glitter eyeshadow and apply at your front lid. Next, I'm taking glitter in white and apply at my tear duct. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. This is mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. For lower lash line, I'm using the Maybelline Push Up Angel.
Bring out your butt, bitch.
For blusher, I'm using the Essence blush in the code of 10 Befitting. For contouring and highlight, I'm using the Rimmel London in the code of 003 Golden Bronze. For highlight, I'm using the highlight to highlight my cheekbones, brow bone, the tip of my nose, the bridge, and also my cupid bow. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade of Soft Wine.
Ta-da! So I hope you guys enjoy and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to thumbs up. See you again!